Hi folks, got a cool little project in today. A couple of little repairs on it, and yeah, I thought I'd go through the process with you. I'm also going to do a full YouTube video of this as well, so yeah, please follow on there. So this is what we got in. It's a Lexus RC300, and as you can already see, we've got quite a nasty dent straight in the boot lid there. Hasn't touched the bumper, but it's going to be a tricky one because it's pushed it up. Yeah, it's pushed it up as well as pushed it in, and then we've got a little bit of damage on the trim there as well. But the customers also asked me to do this as well, so we've got a little scuff in the corner there. This might be a little bit more trickier than it looks, but we'll see how it goes. I have noticed that since I've spoke to him, but I've only quoted that, and the fact that the customer's out of the country at the minute, I'm just going to do that. If you want me to do that later, we can. I'll charge him. So the Lexus is in and got it stripped off. Bumpers on the bench. I've already sort of heated this up and sort of got this back into shape. Luckily there's no cracks or anything on it. It was just a matter of sort of cleaning it up. Almost ready for a skim of filler on that. And then the boot lid as well. Actually managed to get good access behind, and then we've got that crease out pretty close. And then yeah, again, so ready for a little skim on that. So happy days. So it's been a few days and I've sort of forgot to sort of carry on with the TikTok, but the repair has been done and it's all painted. The bumper's come out absolutely beautiful, gone finished, really happy with that. Repair's almost invisible. It's low down, there's a couple of little bits here that I'm not too worried about. Like I said, once it's all back together you just won't see it, it's low enough. The actual boot lid I had to paint twice, although the repair's come out beautiful. You know, can't see where that was, quite happy with that. Yeah, the first time I painted it there was a bug there, so then I redid this using some extra fast hardener. It sort of just sunk back a little bit too much, so going to give this a quick nib and polish, get it all back together and get it out of the door. So there it is, pretty much all done. I've got to order the chap a new badge, because yeah, just because. So yeah, really happy with those. Come out, colour match is pretty damn good under these lights. I would like to have shown this outside, but he wants to pick it up tonight, so I'm just gonna have to do this. So yeah, you can see sort of down here, it's all back together. Again, quite happy with the colour match. You know, the repair down here is pretty damn good as well, so yeah, really happy with this. So yeah, this one's been a pain in the arse because of, you know, family issues and having to help my old man out and all sorts of other stuff. We finally got it done. You know, really happy with the way the repairs come out. So I mean, you can see how bad it was at the beginning. Yeah, we've got that pretty damn good. Yeah, so it is what it is. I've done a bit more of an in-depth video of how I got the dent out and stuff like that on my YouTube channel, so please go check that out. And yeah, see you for the next one. Peace.